Hi everyone, my name is Bailey. I work with the Canadian Mental Health Association Manitoba-Winnipeg office, and I'm also part of the team that brings you Thrival Kits with our friends over at Manitoba Advocate for Children and Youth. You might have heard of Thrival Kits in the classroom, and that's probably why you're here. Your teacher sent you this video. If you happen to stumble upon this video and you've never heard of Thrival Kits before, what they are is they're a project implemented into grades 4 to 6 classrooms in Manitoba, and they teach kids daily mindful activities that help promote good mental health. What we've been doing for the past few weeks is we've been videotaping some lessons that would normally be in Thrival Kits, but of course nobody's in the classroom right now, so we wanted to get a little bit innovative and film some things for you folks that might be in the project or might even just need something to relieve some stress. So what we're going to be doing today is making a positive affirmation jar. So all you'll need is a mason jar. If you don't have a mason jar, a bowl works just fine. A pen and some slips of paper. You can just take any normal paper and cut them into pieces. So the first step you'll want to do is decorate your jar if you want to. This is optional, you don't have to. I consider myself a creative person and I love to draw, so I made myself a little logo that I'm going to stick right onto my jar. And it's quite simple. Mine's all done. So this is what my positive affirmation jar looks like. The next step is every morning, I really want to challenge you to write a positive affirmation every morning. And for those of you that don't know what positive affirmations are, they're positive I am statements. So things like I am kind or I am smart, those are things that really boost your self-esteem and make you feel better about yourself if you're having a bad day. So I wrote down a positive affirmation earlier that I'm just going to use as an example. This one says, I am perfect just the way I am. So if I'm not having a great day, what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat this to myself until I feel like really unhelpful thoughts or negative thoughts and feelings are starting to go away. And that's the idea. It's just like when you're trying to improve your physical health by doing repetitive exercises, you're going to be improving your mental health and mental well-being by repeating positive affirmations to yourself. Try and do this for a week as well. And at the end of the week, pull out all of your positive affirmations and reflect on how they made you feel. And that's pretty much it for the activity. Now you have a nice positive affirmation jar. You know what positive affirmations are. And you can really use this to boost your self-esteem and the way that you feel and have a specific mindset during the day. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this activity. I hope that it relieves some stress for you. And if you want to post your progress in this project, or even just post your jars online, I'd love to see them. You can use the hashtag Thrival Kits on any platform. And if you have any questions about the project itself or the activity that we just did, feel free to email us at info@thrivalkits.ca. So, like I said, that's it for me. I hope everyone is staying safe and have a good rest of your day. Bye.